Stop struggling with complex data. Do visualize it instead. In this data-driven realm, understanding and interpreting information was the key to unlocking untold potential. Raw data, often complex and overwhelming, held secrets and stories within its numbers. Enter Tableau, a magical tool that could transform these rows and columns into vibrant, interactive visuals. Imagine turning mundane spreadsheets into captivating charts, graphs, and dashboards that told compelling stories. This was the magic of Tableau. With Tableau, individuals and organizations could unlock the true potential of their data. By presenting information visually, Tableau made it easier to identify trends, spot outliers, and communicate findings effectively. Whether you were a business analyst, a marketing professional, or a data scientist, Tableau provided a user-friendly platform to explore, analyze, and share data insights effortlessly. This tale serves as your guide to the enchanting world of Tableau. We'll journey through its features, uncover its capabilities, and provide a roadmap to help you embark on your data visualization adventure. Get ready to harness the power of Tableau and unlock a world of data-driven insights. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey to master data visualization with Tableau. You need to hear this if you're a data enthusiast. Once upon a time, in the bustling world of data, there emerged a hero known as Tableau. This remarkable tool quickly became renowned for its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities. With Tableau, users could transform raw data into stunning visual stories, making it easier to unravel the mysteries hidden within complex information. The magic of Tableau lay in its drag-and-drop interface, a feature that turned data manipulation into a seamless and enjoyable experience. With just a few clicks, users could conjure up charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards, simply by selecting data fields and placing them onto the canvas. This intuitive design meant that even those without technical expertise could become data wizards, making data visualization accessible to all. Tableau's versatility was another feather in its cap, as it could connect to a myriad of data sources, from humble spreadsheets and text files to the vast realms of cloud databases and big data platforms. This flexibility allowed users to weave together data from various sources into a single unified tapestry for comprehensive analysis. But the story didn't end there. Tableau's interactive features invited users to dive deeper, exploring data dynamically. They could filter, sort, and drill down into data points, uncovering hidden patterns and gaining profound insights. The ability to create interactive dashboards empowered stakeholders to engage with data directly, fostering a culture where data-driven decisions thrived. You need to watch this if you struggle with navigating new software. It all begins with downloading and installing Tableau Desktop, your gateway to creating stunning visualizations. Picture this: a free trial that lets you explore every feature, giving you a taste of the power at your fingertips before you commit. Once installed, you launch Tableau Desktop and are greeted by a clean, intuitive interface, ready to transform your data. The workspace is your playground, divided into key areas: the data pane, where you connect to your data sources; the canvas, where you drag and drop fields to craft your visualizations; and the shelves, where you control the appearance and layout of your visual stories. Tableau's interface is designed with you in mind, making it easy to use and navigate. The toolbar is your quick-access tool belt for common functions, while the menus offer a treasure trove of options for data manipulation, visualization creation, and analysis. As you become more familiar with the interface, you'll find it intuitive and efficient, enhancing your workflow. Tableau also provides a wealth of resources to help you get started, including tutorials and sample datasets, and a vibrant online community ready to support you. So, dive in and explore these resources as you embark on your data visualization journey with Tableau. You need to watch this if you struggle with importing data into Tableau. Imagine a world where all your data, no matter where it resides, comes together seamlessly. This is the magic of Tableau. Picture your data scattered across spreadsheets, databases, and cloud platforms. Tableau acts as the bridge, uniting them all for a cohesive analysis. The journey begins at the Connect pane in Tableau Desktop. Here, you choose the connector that will link your data to Tableau. From Excel spreadsheets to CSV text files and SQL databases, to cloud services like Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery, Tableau supports them all. Once you've chosen your data source, follow the intuitive prompts to establish a connection. As the connection is made, Tableau unveils a preview of your data in the data pane. Here you can handpick the sheets, tables, or files that will fuel your analysis. Tableau's data interpreter steps in, automatically detecting and cleaning your data to ensure it's accurate and consistent. With your data now connected, you're poised to harness the full power of Tableau's visualization tools. Simply drag and drop fields onto the canvas and watch as your data transforms into vibrant charts, graphs, and dashboards, bringing your insights to life. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to create your first chart in Tableau. Welcome to Section 5, Creating Your First Chart. Imagine the excitement of seeing your data come to life, revealing insights you never thought possible. With Tableau's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, this transformation becomes a seamless journey. Let's embark on this journey by creating a simple bar chart. Our first step is to select the dimension, or categorical variable, that will form the backbone of our story. Picture a sales data set. Here, the product category could be our chosen dimension. We drag this field onto the column shelf, setting the stage for our narrative. Next, we need a measure, a numerical variable, to quantify our story. In this case, sales will be our measure, adding depth to our tale. We drag the sales field onto the rows shelf and watch as Tableau weaves its magic. And there it is. A bar chart, vividly displaying sales by product category, comes to life. But our story doesn't end here. We can customize our chart, adding colors, fonts, and labels to enhance its narrative. Explore different chart types, like line charts, scatterplots, and maps, to find the perfect medium for your data's story. With Tableau's intuitive interface, creating stunning visualizations becomes an effortless endeavor. As you delve deeper, you'll uncover advanced features, enabling you to craft interactive dashboards and uncover even more profound insights. You need to hear this if you're a data enthusiast looking to elevate your analysis game. Picture yourself crafting calculated fields, like a master chef creating a custom recipe, blending data to uncover unique insights. Imagine calculating profit margins effortlessly, subtracting costs from sales to reveal the true financial health of your business. These calculated fields add layers of analytical depth, turning simple charts into powerful storytelling tools. Now, envision filters as your magnifying glass, allowing you to zoom in on specific data subsets and uncover hidden trends. With filters, you can focus on the details that matter most, revealing patterns that might otherwise remain unseen. Tableau offers a variety of filter options, from date filters to range filters and top-end filters, each one a key to unlocking specific insights. Imagine creating stunning geographic maps, where data points transform into visual stories of geographic patterns and relationships. From visualizing sales by region to mapping customer demographics, Tableau's mapping features turn location-based data into valuable insights, painting a vivid picture of your data's journey. You need to watch this if you struggle with creating impactful dashboards. Imagine you're at the helm of a ship, navigating through a sea of data. Your dashboard is your compass, guiding you to insightful discoveries. As you set sail, consider these essential navigational tools for your journey. Simplicity is your North Star. Avoid the temptation to overload your dashboard with information. Focus on the key metrics that will steer you towards your destination. Choose the right chart type, like selecting the best sales for your ship, to capture the wind of your data. Use color wisely, as a lighthouse guiding you through the fog, to highlight key findings and differentiate categories. Provide context with labels and annotations, like a seasoned navigator marking the map with crucial notes. Make your dashboard interactive, allowing users to explore the depths of data like divers uncovering hidden treasures. By following these navigational tools, your dashboard will be both visually compelling and highly informative. Remember, the goal of your journey is to communicate insights effectively. By creating clear, concise, and visually appealing dashboards, you ensure your message resonates with your audience. Experiment with different layouts, color schemes, and interactive elements to create dashboards that engage your audience and drive data-driven decision-making. Set sail on your data journey with confidence. You need to watch this if you struggle with making sense of your data. Imagine a world where data isn't just numbers on a screen, but a powerful tool that drives decisions and transforms industries. This is the world of Tableau. Let's journey through some real-world stories where Tableau has made a remarkable impact. In the realm of business analytics, companies harness Tableau to track sales performance, delve into customer behavior, and uncover growth opportunities. Picture a marketing team deep in discussion, using Tableau to visualize campaign effectiveness, track key metrics, and fine-tune their marketing spend. In healthcare analytics, Tableau becomes a vital tool for providers, enabling them to analyze patient data, monitor disease trends, and enhance patient outcomes. Financial analysts, too, rely on Tableau to bring clarity to complex financial data, track market trends, and pinpoint investment opportunities. These stories showcase the versatility and power of Tableau as a data visualization and analysis tool. From streamlining business operations to fueling scientific discoveries, Tableau empowers users to unlock the true potential of their data, turning insights into action and dreams into reality. If you're a data enthusiast, then you need to embrace the world of data visualization. Tableau emerged as the hero, offering a user-friendly and powerful platform to unlock data insights effortlessly. With its magical drag-and-drop interface and advanced analytical capabilities, Tableau empowered users to explore, analyze, and share data in the most compelling ways. Whether you were a data novice or a seasoned analyst, Tableau opened up a world of possibilities for data exploration and visualization. Embrace the power of Tableau and embark on your journey to becoming a data visualization expert. Remember, the journey of data discovery is a never-ending adventure. Continue to explore Tableau's features, experiment with different visualization techniques, and engage with the vibrant Tableau community to expand your knowledge and skills. As you delve deeper into the enchanting world of data visualization with Tableau, you'll uncover endless opportunities to gain insights, make informed decisions, and drive positive change in your personal and professional endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to stay updated with the latest in data visualization and Tableau tips. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content.